everyone, this is the FabFitFun Fall Edition box, and I'm going to be opening it here now for you to enjoy. If you like these videos, definitely hit the subscribe button and put down in the comments below if you would like me to do more FabFitFun. This is my second FabFitFun box that I have received. The first one, I didn't want to do it on camera. I just wanted to check it out, see if it was the hype that everyone was making it seem. The person I'm going to give credit to for getting me to pretty much subscribe to FabFitFun would be the Miss Sally Cake. So you can definitely check out her channel. I'll put the link down in the description below. She is an amazing YouTuber. She's a teacher who also does YouTube videos on the side as a hobby, and oh my goodness, she's such a huge inspiration for me. She does cooking videos, unboxing videos, craft videos. She does a lot of teacher try videos. Anyway, you like that type of stuff? Check her out. Let's get into this FabFitFun box here now, and I'm going to open up the box. Oh my goodness. Their designs of their boxes are absolutely amazing and gorgeous. They always sponsor or support, sorry, I should say, they support different types of charities, especially, they put so much toward, but usually they have it on the box and what charity they're supporting, but I don't seem to see it on this box. Anyway, we'll get into it. And the first thing I see in this box is, ooh, Hello Fresh, America's #1 meal kit, $80 off. And I'm just gonna cover that code. And here it is here. And that's the first item in the box. The second item is, Bright Sellers discover wine you love. Feeling lucky? Scratch off to see your credit. Okay, so that's this here. Me and Ryan don't actually drink, so I know his parents do love wine. I might give that to them, get this, not like gift it, but give this to them for them to have, but, or gift it, whatever you, I don't know. I'm trying not to sound terrible that I'm giving a gift that I've pretty much received in a subscription box. That's not, anyway, blah, 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 blah. Stop rambling, Jen. Okay, but this, we don't drink. It's gonna be gifted, given to somebody else that actually does and enjoys to have that on their spare time. Passes on to a friend who would love FabFitFun. Gather the good. $15 off your first FabFitFun box. I don't know if I can show the code or not. I don't know how they feel about that type of stuff. So there's that. Next, we have this little magazine that they throw in, pamphlet, but it's more so a magazine. There's a bunch of different stuff in there for you to check out and read. And let's get into the items. So the first item I see, oh my goodness, I actually didn't ask for this item. Sometimes you can request and customize your box a bit, but this item you could get, but it said it wasn't available, and I was kind of sad about it, so I couldn't get it, but they're in here. I love these little berets. I'm gonna take them out of the package here now so you can see them better. Oh, I'm so excited. I really wanted these. 8 Other Reasons is the name of these. And here they are. They're so pretty. It's just made me so happy. Okay. Calm down. All right, so the next item in this box is Perfect Repair Treatment Mask. A bamboo and keratin fortified deep conditioning treatment for smoother, stronger hair. So, for your hair, here it is here. This is like a large container. Oh my goodness. This smells okay. It's not like the greatest smell. There it is. It reminds me of slime, but it's not. There's that. The next item I'm receiving in this FabFitFun is Skin & Co. Aroma Whipped Polishing Cleansing Cream with Truffle Extract. Ooh, sounds so luxurious. Like, blah, blah. How do you say that word? Anyway, embarrassing. Can't say that word, but it's very fancy. Okay, I'm gonna get into this here now. Ooh. Let's see. Smells really nice. See if I can get a bit out. If anyone watched my videos, I have a bad experience with trying to get stuff out of a container. There it is. See, it's just like a cream. There it is on my finger. I don't know if my camera's gonna focus today. It's being pretty stubborn. But yeah, there's that. The next item in this, ooh, pumpkin spice. Includes 2 complete 4-step pedicure kits. Sea salt soak, sugar scrub, mud mask, and massage butter. Okay, I never ever used a pedicure kit before. I never had a pedicure before. So this is like, this kind of really excites me. I feel like I'm getting to spoil myself. And full credit, just saying this now, thank you to my husband for this FabFitFun box. Amazing. He's amazing. I love him. So, yeah, they're in little packets like this. Cute. Good. There they are in there. Adorable. Love it. So cute. I love this little design too. It's so fall and festive and perfect for the fall box. The next item we're receiving is Glow Milk, Nourish with coconut and argan oil. Ooh, look, it looks like a little milk carton. How cute. And my rose gold favorite color right now. Rose gold and mustard are like my 2 go-tos right now. Like a mustard yellow. Open this up. Oh my goodness, this container is so cute. This is really cute. Oh my goodness. Illuminating milk for face and body. Oh, this is really fancy because I can't say the other word. Luxurious. I'm not even gonna try it again, guys. Here it is here. Why isn't it focusing here today? It's in one of those moods. One of those moods. Love this. Oh, this is so nice. Ooh. So cute. So cute. Oh, that lotion, not lotion, sorry, but this whipped polishing cleansing cream with the truffle extract. It's on my fingers here now, so it smells really good. Next thing we have in this FabFitFun, the Jenny Bird. Jenny Bird in this cute little package. Ooh, that's adorable. Adorable. This little card backing. Here's front. Here's the back of the information. Is it gonna focus? Probably not, because my camera's just being weird today. Oh, it's a bracelet. Oh, that's cute. As you've seen, this is, I mentioned this in a vlog. This is the bracelet my husband gave me, a distance bracelet. He has one like this, except his is all this color, and then his centerpiece is this color. So, I wonder, is this gonna fit? It looks really small, but I have really tiny wrists, so let's try this. It has like a little bead hanging off of it. Oh my goodness, I suck at putting bracelets on myself that require like to be hooked on like this. Okay, all right, I got it. Here it is on. Oh, that's really pretty. I like this. It's different. I'm like, that's adorable. Okay, I'm actually gonna leave that on. And the next item in this box. Ooh, my curling iron. Oh, this is gorgeous. This is gorgeous. It's Foxy Bay. No fucks given. Oh, adult humor there. Rose gold 25mm curling wand. Ta-ta, ta-ta. See now? I'm really excited. Just a little card, pamphlet, I guess, manual instructions, whatnot. Okay, so it's not cordless. It has a cord. I feel like my camera moved. Did it move? Let's go back this way. Okay. But it comes with a cord. It's a nice barrel to it. It's very light, like very light. It's actually lighter than my other curling iron. But yeah, that's it there. Just plugs in. think this barrel might be the same size as my other one, or maybe a little bit smaller. Here it is, Flexible. Ooh. I definitely hit my camera earlier. And my apologies about that too, for hitting my camera. I didn't even notice. I guess I'm so excited. And I'll worry about this after. One last item in this box, it looks like. Yes. So here is the last item. It's a Cosmetics hair removal device. Here it is here. Get out of the package. Okay, instruction, little pamphlet. Comes with a little cleaning brush, bristle brush. Battery, I'm gonna put the battery in by twisting the bottom. So yeah, you just put the battery in there, comes with it. Do I got this the right way? Where's the little, okay, it goes this way? This way? Oh my goodness, this is embarrassing. How did I take this off just then? Like, oh, okay, all right, there we go. And you flick it on. And you flick it on. Nothing's happening. Hit the knob switch. And I twist it, unlock it, the battery's in, and the battery's in the right way, because as you see inside, there's a little spring. Goes in like that. Oh my goodness, why can't I get the all right, there we go. So it's on, the bottom casing's on, and I flick the switch, nothing. Oh, it's really sad. It doesn't work. Wah, wah, wah. No. Oh my goodness. FabFitFun, what? I was so excited for this box, like so excited, and then I end up with the last item not working. I don't understand. Okay, don't twist the top because that's what happens, but oh, okay. Well, anyway, that was okay. That was kind of sad to end off the box with an item being broken, but it is what it is, I guess. I'll just have to contact the company and just let them know that one of the items in the box, the razor hair removal device, didn't work. So yeah, everything else in the box was great. Love the curling iron. Can't wait to try these pumpkin spice pedicure kit. The bracelet, love it. It's very cute and charming. And the, oh, right. I can't forget these. Can't forget. Like, overall, it was a phenomenal box, except for the item that didn't work. Loved it. Loved it. Thank you so much for watching, everybody. If you enjoyed this video, definitely subscribe. Check out our other content. And I will hopefully see you again real soon for more videos. Bye, guys.